Hi, it's me, Jennifer 2.0, and as of my last video, I had 97 subscribers, and I am over 100, you guys. I have 120 last I checked, and I am so grateful and thankful to you guys. If you're new to my channel, I am on a weight loss journey to lose over 100 pounds. And last I checked, I'd lost like 30 pounds, but I'm gonna start weighing myself again tomorrow. I'm pretty sure I've gained some weight because I've just been going through an awful lot of stuff here lately. But I wanted to get back on here so that way I could keep you guys up to date on what I'm doing. I went to Nemo Bridge yesterday and filmed a video. I don't know if I'll put that in this video, but I'm about to go into Subway, and since I'm gonna be doing my diet again and all over, I'm about to order probably one of the strangest sandwiches ever ordered at Subway. So let's get inside and get that order going. I'd like a foot long on the Italian urban cheese. Turkey with pepper jack cheese. Yes, and can you put bacon on that? Can you kind of put that back in the toaster again? Yeah, if you could toast it one more time. Can you toast it one more time? 3 times? Yeah. I'm sure, I promise, if you could toast it one more time. I know it sounds weird, but yeah, I like it really toasty. What's this purple stuff in these little black cups? Oh, okay. Oh, okay, that makes sense. I was wondering, I'd never seen that before. Yeah, that looks good. I'm probably gonna be a minute with my toppings. If you wanna go ahead and get hers out of the way. I don't wanna hold you up. Yeah, can you put some lettuce on it? Cucumbers, black olives, some pickle. You can go ahead and finish hers if you want. You're welcome. Okay, so this might sound a little weird, but can you take 2 oatmeal raisin cookies and cut them in half and put them on there? Please. For real, I'm gonna eat it like that. Well, I'm gonna add some more toppings too, but yeah. You gonna add more toppings on it? Yeah. That's why I figured it'd just be best if she just went in front of me, because I knew I'd be in a second. So you want oatmeal raisin? Oh, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
No, not the two truck.
No, she put it on herself.
Yeah, I know. Don't like the truck. She might come up with some. She might be on with some.
Sounds good. Okay, A lot more black olives. Some more shredded lettuce. Some banana peppers. A little bit of the red onions. And then mayonnaise. And like a lot of mayonnaise. Helps make it a little soggy, easier to chew. Awesome, awesome. Oil, vinegar. What's that other one? The vinaigrette, I think. Okay, no, that's fine, that's fine. No worries. A couple more black olives, and then I think that will do it. That's awesome. Oh, it's perfect. Have you ever got comments on your braids? Because those are really pretty. I'm gonna have to eat it with a fork. It's okay. I'm sorry. I know it's like the strangest sandwich ever. Oh, you're fine. You're good, you're good. Oh, now I don't want to walk on your floor. I'm really gonna eat it. Yes, for real.
Or are you gonna pray somebody?
No, I'm really gonna eat it.
I've never heard nobody. I've never heard it sound like this weird food combination. You got any more food combinations?
I like pickles in my ice cream. I know, it's a little strange. The oatmeal cookie with the raisin makes it perfect. Yeah, if you got a fork, that would be awesome. Okay, you guys, so I for real have my sandwich and we are about to go home and eat this on camera. Oatmeal raisin cookies and all. So yeah, let's go home. Okay, you guys, so I am back from Subway and it's time to eat that sandwich. Yeah, the one I ordered with the oatmeal raisin cookie on it. Yeah, I'm excited about this. So, in the comments below, I would love for you guys to just give me a fork. Which I'm probably gonna need to eat this sandwich. But in the comments below, could you please let me know what is the weirdest food combination you've ever eaten that you actually enjoyed? Or even if you didn't enjoy it, if you know of a food combination that someone has eaten that you were like, oh, there's no way, but they liked it, let me know, because I'm kind of curious. And here we go. Let's open this bad boy up. Oh wow. It's already falling apart because of the oils and stuff, but I am so hungry right now. Like, I cannot wait to eat this sandwich. Ooh, olive. And because I'm over 100 subscribers, I have something really special for you guys. Okay, so I don't know if that's paper or sandwich. So, let's see. That's paper for sure. Alrighty. Let's eat this bad boy. All the stuff that right here that's fell out. That's crazy. But I'm gonna get to eating this here sandwich that I ordered earlier from Subway. That is so good, but I haven't tasted the oatmeal raisin cookie yet. Maybe it'll be in the next bite. This here, amazing. Plus I had it like way over toasted. But yeah, it's still really amazing. I'm sorry if things got a little shaky. The new kittens were at the bottom of the tripod. And my dad, he taught me how rude it was to talk with food in your mouth, so I'm sorry. Well, let's fast forward to the next thing we got for you guys. It's not an easy sandwich to eat. It's got a lot of stuff on it. I don't even know if I'm going to finish it whole. And the cats moved the camera. There's a cookie. A raisin from the cookie. You can taste the oatmeal raisin cookie inside the sandwich. It gives it like a unique taste. Yeah, I knew I would be able to finish this. Kitty cat's over there getting into stuff. Okay, yeah, there's no way I can finish the rest of that. I mean, that was a heck of a sandwich that I ordered with everything on it that I ordered. Woo. So let's skip on to the next surprise that I have. Can't believe I just ate what I did eat, because I hardly eat that much anyway in one setting. Anyways, I'm so excited for this next thing, because at the time of this video, for those of you who know, I'm gonna throw that away, but for those of you who know, I have reached my first milestone a lot faster than I thought I would. And I have reached over 100 subscribers. That's a lot of people. Like, just think back to any kind of class you've had to speak in front of. Like when you were in school or in public speaking, for example. 100 people. That's a lot of people, you guys. A lot of people. And so I have earned the next generation. Here's my letter. Dear Jennifer, Jennifer 2.0. You have received the first 100 subscribers. Therefore, we are awarding you with your first ever cardboard YouTube play button. Oh my God, you guys, look at this thing! It's official. I have the first YouTube ever cardboard play button. And I couldn't have done it without you guys. So thank you so much. Now on to the silver one. But before then, I gotta reach 1,000, so let's get there, you guys. Thank you so much. And I appreciate you guys watching every video. Thank you. Mwah. See you guys in the next one. Oops, it fell off. Ooh, ooh. Oh my gosh, that sandwich was so fulfilling.